dealing with that.
Okay, no problem. If anybody has a problem in the recording, they can leave. अब मैं किसी को छोड़ने वाली हूँ नहीं, समझा?
No, that is right. Acha, buddy, you give me the file name.
I'll tell you. Go to your 1 minute. Go to your drive. Go to shared with me. Are you on your drive, Uma?
I'm on my drive.
Go to shared with me.
Acha, shared with me.
Then you will see buddy review.
Buddy weekly review.
है ना? buddy weekly review है ना नाम? क्या है सीमा? ऊपर क्या लिखा है?
रिव्यू है।
हाँ, buddy weekly review.
है, बड़ी weekly review
है। पता
Avengers.
चला मुझे ऐसा फाइल में शायद तुम्हें में जाके देखना है करके।
मेरे को तुम्हारा लैंग्वेज बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
मेरे को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मैं तो वही
स्वीटली बोलते हैं, कितना स्वीटली बोलते हैं अम्मा।
शला का है, सुपर लीडर शला का आ गई है। ओके, बच्चों मस्ती मत करो, टीचर आ गई है। ओके, so we are smartifying, Shalaka, we are smartifying Seema's this. Let's do it quickly. Become world famous laughter yogini के बजाय मेरे हिसाब से it could be conducting laughter webinars for 1,000 people. This will be measurable.
Yeah.
My darling Seema, look at her. Yeah. तो सोई थी, so उठ के बैठ गई, अभी थोड़ा टाइम में नाचने लगेगी. Okay, please write down conducting laughter webinars for so many people. 1,000 मैंने बोल दिया, 500 बोल दो, 200 बोल दो, कोई बात नहीं. Whatever you
please, मैं इतना कम नहीं करने वाली हूँ. मेरा गोल बहुत हाई रहता है. I dream king size.
हाँ, तो 1,000 लिख, तो 1,000 लिख और उसके लिए डेडलाइन लिख दे. तो एक्टिव प्रोजेक्ट और डेडलाइन इज समथिंग दैट इज द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है ना? Declaration can be a week declaration, 10 days declaration. So when I'm talking to Uma and I'm talking to Seema, I'm talking to everybody. Okay?
Yeah.
Become a world famous life coach. Now when you sing world famous life coach, मतलब उसके लिए तुझे ऐसे नहीं लगता है कुछ ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़ेगी? So you can actually say that maybe I complete this particular training in life coaching.
Okay.
So that can be one of your goal. Goal, you can complete it in the 1 month. And suppose example बता रही हूँ कि you want to do a coaching with somebody. Like example जैसा है ना, maybe you want to do complete, just Shalaka is enrolled for Access to Power. You want to do that, or you want to take up any coaching.
Even I have to do that.
So Access to Power is happening now in September. So you can say कि okay, I'm completing this. उससे क्या हो जाएगा ना कि तेरा एक एरिया ऑफ लाइफ कोचिंग हो जाएगा. दूसरा, नजर ने एक 99 रुपीज का प्लान दे दिया है, कुछ तो शेयर किया था उनके ग्रुप में अबाउट कंटेंट क्रिएशन. तो कंटेंट क्रिएशन का भी ट्रेनिंग ले. तो मैं तो बोलूंगी वर्ल्ड फेमस लाइफ कोचिंग के लिए
वो नजर का वो हमको भी देना.
मेरे को नहीं पता है, ये इकिगाई ग्रुप में नजर से पूछ लेना. वो मैं कल तो क्रिएशन कंप्लीशन कॉल में गई थी, उसने बोला कुछ. तो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज यू विल, एक बार तूने लिया ना तो बी डिटरमाइंड टू ट्रेन योरसेल्फ टू बिकम दैट. You're already a coach, but while you became the life coach, what all you did in the middle, so that can be one of your life goals. Am I right, Uma? World famous life, क्योंकि अभी you have to get started. जैसे laughter योगिनी तो already है, तो मैंने क्या बोला, 1000 लोगों को ट्रेन करेगी. World famous life coaching के लिए you will train yourself from life people who will create life coaches. That's your first step.
Correct. I thought you just have to declare your your goals, So I just declare that कि मेरे को यहाँ तक पहुँचना है.
हाँ, मगर smartify करना है ना अपने को. So you can say that become a life coach by this month, by this year. But उसके लिए वो थोड़ा vague हो जाएगा अभी audit के लिए, है ना? Then start my office by Diwali in 20th November. This is perfect. Okay? 20th November दिवाली को तेरा ऑफिस चाहिए. उसमें तो क्या करने वाली वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You want your office, that's it. So this is a smart thing. मैं उमा शला का सब देख के पता चलता है, हाँ यार ये 20th नवंबर को ऑफिस खोलना है. क्या किया, जगह देखा, क्या हुआ, किससे बात?
मेरे पास जगह तो है, मेरे को जाना शुरू करना है.
बेटा मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, क्वेश्चंस पूछने लगेंगे हम लोग.
हाँ ठीक है.
फर्नीचर है क्या, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, क्या कर रही है, कितने लोग आएंगे, कुछ प्लान बनाया क्या करने वाली. So we as buddies can ask, anybody as a buddy can ask you questions on this. But life coaching में I cannot ask you, laughter में I cannot. Now I can ask you, अरे सीमा तूने तो बोला था ना कि your weight will be this, अभी कितना weight है? So this will be my review. Okay, perfect, great. So did you understand this? So I want to review it and तो और deadline डाल दे और अभी नेक्स्ट इमीडिएट नेक्स्ट
हाँ।
10 डेज में क्या करने वाली हूँ। तो डेक्लेरेशन में हो सकता है कि तू 10 डेज में अपने वेट को मेंटेन करेगी, है ना। और दूसरा जो है ना, लाफ्टर योगिनी बनना है, तो ऐसा कर सकते कि ये 10 दिन में कम से कम 50 लोगों के साथ में लाफ्टर सेशन लेने वाली हूँ, या 50 से 100। फिर तो दिमाग ऐसा सोचने की मैं हॉलीडे पे हूँ तो क्या हुआ, 1 घंटा तो मैं लाफ्टर ले सकती हूँ ना। समझ में आया? Then secondly is about training. Now, if you put training, then what do you declare? Ki are you registering from some course, finding some course, doing a 1-day training, doing introduction, whatever. So that's about Shalaka, Seema. I want to look at Uma's goals. Uma, can we audit your goal, please?
Yeah, please.
So mine will be complete. I mean ये सारा हो जाएगा ना complete जो अभी अपन ने
तुम
बोला।
अभी करोगे ना, हाँ तो हो जाएगा। और मैं क्या करूंगी आपके साथ कल परसों फिर से आपकी शीट को देखूंगी अलग से।
ठीक है।
ओके, सो उमा
और फिर इसमें एक मिनट और फिर जो गूगल मेजरमेंट शीट है फिर उसमें अपना मेजरमेंट शीट में फिर क्या करना है, ये तो अपना
उस हिसाब से आएगा ना,
sheet है।
उस हिसाब से आएगा ना। ये जो चीज है ना, ये मेजरमेंट शीट, पहले तो मुझे देख नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स इन माय लेफ्टर क्लब जाएंगे, है ना। मेंटेनिंग वेट में यू विल बी मेंटेनिंग योर डाइट, कि यू विल रेट योरसेल्फ कि आज मैं अपने आप को कितना मार्क्स दूंगी यार कि मैंने थॉटफुली ईटिंग किया। तो 0 दे, 2 दे, 1 इज लीस्ट एंड 10 इज मैक्सिमम। तुझे लग रहा है कि आज ना मुझे इतने सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज थे ब्रेक करने का मेरा ये, मगर मैंने फिर भी रखा। वाओ, मैंने 1 लड्डू खाया है, मगर मेरे हिसाब से मुझे अपने आप को 10 देने चाहिए, क्योंकि आई हैड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू रियली ईट। सो गिव योरसेल्फ, रेट योरसेल्फ इन दैट एरिया। देन यू नो ट्रेनिंग में, अच्छा मैंने लोगों से बात करी है, फाइंड आउट किया, आज मैंने रिसर्च किया है, तो मैंने 2 लोगों के बारे में पता किया, या मैंने कुछ एक्शन ले ली। सो दिस कैन बी द एक्शंस यू कैन थिंक ऑफ।
या गॉट इट। सो इन दैट वे आई हैव टू क्रिएट कॉलम्स। जैसे मैंने अभी इसमें कॉलम्स क्रिएट किया है कि स्टेप्स कितने लिए, विटामिन्स लिए कि नहीं लिए, एक्सरसाइज कितने मिनट्स करी, एंड फिर मेरे लाफ्टर में कितने मेंबर्स थे। तो आई हैव टू क्रिएट द कॉलम्स इन दैट वे पर डे या पर वीक
भी कर सकती है, पर डे भी कर सकती है। और अभी क्या ना चाहिए तो इतना ही मॉनिटर करेगी तो भी चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं कि सब चीजों को मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं। ओके, वी कैन नॉट मॉनिटर एवरीथिंग। Uma, if you are doing something, you want me to go to Shalaka first?
Yeah, please. नहीं वही अपडेट कर रही हूँ। You finish Shalaka. I'm in the sheet only.
I know, इसीलिए मैंने बोला कि तू कर रही है तो फिर we can complete with Shalaka and we can come to you, okay? Shalaka Naval का goals. ये Shalaka, okay. So Shalaka is her goal is to lose 25 kilos by October 15th, 2021. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes.
एकदम क्लियर है उसका गोल। परफेक्ट। नाउ हर डेडलाइन इज October 15। डेक्लेरेशन इज दैट बाय नो। सो डार्लिंग क्या कर मतलब शलाका, यू डिक्लेयर कि ये 10 डेज में तू क्या करने वाली है।
अच्छा,
है ना। और तेरा करंट स्टेटस अभी कितना है तेरा वेट?
106।
अभी 106 है ना। 0.7 गया
नहीं। 1 सेकेंड आया स्मॉल डाउट, गोल और डिक्लेरेशन में क्या फर्क है?
हाँ मैं भी वो कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ।
मैं बताती हूँ ना। गोल, सी declaration is for now, next time when you will measure immediate. मतलब I am declaring कि I will do something like this, है ना। Got it? So declaration जैसे मैं अभी शलाका को बोल रही हूँ ना, she can declare that by 30th July she will be losing 1 kilo. She will be maintaining this much weight. और she can say कि total मैं रोज का 15 आवर लेते हैं तो 150 घंटे का फास्टिंग करने वाली हूँ। और she can declare कि मैं I will be doing 20 physiotherapy sessions, 5 massages, whatever she wants. मतलब मेजर भी कर सकती है, पर यहाँ इसको जो चाहिए डिक्लेयर कर सकती है इस एरिया में। समझा? Yes.
I mean, whatever you're
can
doing.
I say it's a immediate measure?
Yes,
or
yes.
Immediate.
Immediate.
The same thing, Uma. Yeah, immediate measures what you're taking.
Yeah. What do you want to declare to the tribe कि मैं ये करने वाली हूँ? इसके लिए मैं रुजुता दिवेकर का वो लेने वाली हूँ। लेना मत मगर बता रही हूँ ऐसा। Okay, cool. So that's a declaration. Publish book of poems in September 2021. ये मेरे हिसाब से मेरे को क्लियर नहीं लग रहा है। मुझे क्या लग रहा है कि क्या शलाका a published book of poems. Can you write the number of poems that you want to publish? है ना, that will be even
मेरे
clear ना.
कोट्स रेडी है. I already know where मेरा first step होने वाला है. There is
I cannot hear Shalaka. Can you guys hear Shalaka, or her voice is breaking for everybody?
No, her voice is breaking.
Shalaka, you are not. We cannot understand what you're saying.
Okay, got it. एक minute. Now you can hear me.
Yeah.
Hello?
Say Shalaka.
I have already recorded quotes of around 101. So quotes already written hai.
But when you're saying
Hello?
poems and you're saying quote, so I don't understand. Quotations are in the form of poem?
Yes. There are
Okay.
small quotes, 2 lines, and there are big quotes also.
So why don't you say
Like,
published book of quotations? Why don't you say
yes.
quotations? Quotes will be good, no?
Yeah, that would be right. And I have already identified because see, I'm going to want to publish many books. First, I do ये जो है, I want to do with this your quote. They publish book for you also.
क्या हुआ?
ये जो योर कोड वाले है ना, जो
हाँ,
ऐप में मैं लिखती हूँ,
हाँ.
they help you in publishing also, but they charge you. तो मेरा सिर्फ ये बजटिंग चल रहा था कि यार मैं इन्वेस्ट करूँ या नहीं करूँ.
Okay, got it.
तो
Let's
ये
see.
month
हम लोग कहीं पे रुकते हैं तो I understand. So you declare what actions are you going to take that by 30th of July when we meet next. So in this publication, okay, are you going to look at arranging the funds for that? Do you want to, arrange funds, or do you want to ask somebody? Are you want to taking some sponsorship? What it is, I don't know. Okay.
just
Or forget about that. You can actually look at like say 5 videos where people have published without a single penny.
That's what actually I have already worked with GK. She also wants to do a publishing of her poems. So she has given me a project that you learn about self-publishing. So वो project भी
हाँ, so that can be a declaration. That can be a declaration. और मैं तो बोल रही हूँ publish book, publish नहीं, help 5 people publish their books will be your next goal. I am there in the list. So I am
Me
there.
too. Me too.
हाँ, उमा सुंदरी तेरे को भी बुक लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, cool.
बोलो सुंदरी का क्या है बोलो?
मैंने बोला next goal for Shalaka is she's going to help 5 people publish their books. सीमा और मैं, उमा is also there. हाँ, मैंने बोला उमा is also there. तेरे को 5 लोग मिल जाएंगे.
अरे मेरे बुक का पॉसिबिलिटी होता ही नहीं है. Nobody is holding me to account.
And charge us, okay? Charge us something.
Umma, I will charge you, if you don't publish your book.
Yeah, please, I'm ready to give all my this thing, but मेरा book publish होना चाहिए. I will be the happiest person.
चलो चलो लग जाते हैं. चलो तुम्हारे पीछे लग जाते हैं.
मेरा पब्लिशिंग का बाकी है.
अपन लग जाते हैं सबकी बुक्स पब्लिश कराने में.
If Shalaka is charging us some money, maybe 1,000 rupees, I'm giving you 1,000 rupees to publish my ebook, I will actually want के 1,000 रुपया ले ले भाई मेरा बुक पब्लिश कर दे. Shalaka 5,000 का इंतजाम हो गया. It is just the beginning because दोस्ती में हो रहा है ये. So you can charge 5,000 also later on, Shalaka. You getting it? You understand? You are going to guide us through it. You are consulting us to publish our book. So that is your next goal can be that. Create successful marketing campaign for why for you. Okay, now this is not a smart goal. I'm sorry. This is not a smart goal. What can it be? Starting Instagram. No, Instagram चालू करना है, Facebook चालू करना है, पेज बनाना है,
रील्स बनानी है. Instagram रील्स होती है ना.
नो तो आई वांट शलाका को से कि उसमें तेरे को क्या चाहिए तू कर, मुझे नहीं पता। तुझे वहां पे लिखना है कि तुझे इंस्टाग्राम का पेज, इसका आगे रील्स 50 रील्स, वो ये पता नहीं जो भी है उसमें वो दैट्स योर गोल, दैट्स आल्सो अ गोल। Like, you know, successful marketing campaign can't be like 500 people in your Facebook group. ये हो सकता है ना, that can be a goal which is measurable also, time bound by maybe 30th September. I'm giving you like
Instagram followers, 2000
Right.
Instagram followers.
Exactly. And उसके लिए तू लिखेगी तो तेरे को समझेगा कि अच्छा ये करना है मुझे।
Okay, got it.
ए शलाका, तुझे ना पकड़ के मैं सब मारूंगी ना। ये तूने अपना गोल चेंज क्यों किया? तेरा गोल तो रख, नेक्स्ट गोल बोल रही हूँ मैं।
हमें ऐड
अच्छा।
करूंगे ना।
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है, अच्छा चलेगा, इसमें तेरा भी बन जाएगा। ओके ठीक है
हाँ, सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग 5 में मैं भी हूँ ना।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है।
ये सब इकट्ठे 5 जने रिलीज करे तो अपन कितना मजा आएगा ना।
हाँ
अपन 5 इकट्ठी बुक
Actually,
रिलीज
nice.
करे।
5.
ये शलाका एक
5
डायरेक्शन। Yeah, so 5 books. Okay, create Facebook page for Waifu. Very good, very good. Not only Facebook page for Waifu, Facebook page of Waifu has got 500 likes or followers.
Yes.
Go there because it's like तू तो आज बना देगी page यार. That's not good enough. Okay, उसके लिए एक deadline दे दे, ठीक है ना? ऐसे कर, okay? Perfect. So now what is the current status? Page बना भी नहीं है. Current status क्या है? You are just started.
Girl, it's 11:29. I'm just giving you a buzz on the time.
Thank you, and I appreciate that, Huma, and we are not going to go beyond 10 minutes of the time. 11:40 we will
No,
close it.
I'm okay with the 10 minutes. It's I'm just
No, I am not okay. I am going to close this and immediately come to you, Uma, and so that we can audit yours and we will close the meeting for today. So that you all can do some work, and I will meet you after 2 days to see, and I will also keep checking कि आपने क्या किया. Okay, that's my promise also. Okay, good. So 500 members. Okay, cool. So working on and इसमें क्या है? तेरे को publishing में तेरे को क्या पता है अभी वो लिख, ठीक है ना? And current status you already have Uma, Seema, and Darshana. Okay, who are willing to take your, work. Once you published, only when you published, I will give you the money. Okay, otherwise I'm not giving any money. है ना Uma? Only we see that Shalaka's book is published, we will give you the money.
Okay.
Perfect. Then e-commerce business. E-commerce business क्या भाई? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Start e-commerce business.
नहीं, ये start e-commerce business is not a smart goal. Sorry.
No, I don't want to start a e-commerce business. I'm already in e-commerce business, so I want to flourish in that business. So
Can
that
you
is my
see
goal.
universe को क्या मांग रही है? Universe ही बोल रही भाई शलाका तू मांग क्या रही है? मैं दूं क्या तेरे को? E-commerce business दूं? तो ठीक है, Amazon में कुछ खरीद ले.
Okay.
Sorry यार, मैं ऐसे टीचर ऐसे कभी-कभी sarcastic, cynical हो जाती हूँ.
No, it's okay.
So Shalaka, think about it. I'm going to Uma's sheet now because it's like 11:31. I want to finish her sheet also.
Okay.
And we are going to look into your sheet once more. And I'm sure that जैसे मैं उमा को भी train कर रही हूँ, आप लोग switch off मत हो ना. There is something for you also to take from this. Okay? Uma's goals. Uma, election training program all over Maharashtra. Okay. So how many election training program? Can you just clarify because not clear for me?
The training program is we are selected on the board of Maharashtra for the society who have below 250 members. So you want me to tell me the numbers, how many I will be doing?
Yes. How many programs? 20 programs, 50 programs, and what is the deadline?
250 programs.
250 programs. Okay, so the deadline will be not 2 years from now. You will be writing deadline is what the date? Okay, July 2024. 2023, sorry.
July 2023. So 31/7/2023. Done, boss.
Tie up with software partner CS Hub. Okay.
To expand the business and bring in the software expertise inside as Raga. See, Raga says accounting, auditing, legal, and education. We don't want to invest on the software because we don't have expertise. But we want to tie up with somebody so that is added to our kitty.
Perfect, perfect. So this can be a super goal. So software
Yeah,
partner.
and I want to do it before 1/9/2021.
Okay, good. This is perfect. Good to go. Franchisee model. Now, do you want to create a franchisee model? Do you want to launch a franchisee model? What is it? Do you want to complete the franchisee model done?
No, already I started the franchisee model with one of our current employee, and it is running fine.
Okay. So how many franchisee you want?
25 franchisees for the graduates of Maharashtra for passive income. By
So
the way,
that's-
they comment.
So that's your
Okay.
goal. That's your goal. Your aim is career. Your area is career. Aim is what? Aim is not that. Okay. So 25 franchisee model for graduates of Maharashtra, and your aim will be a passive income for graduates.
For graduates.
Passive income for graduates of Maharashtra.
Yes.
And your aim is 25 franchisee models
Yes.
with graduates of Maharashtra. Okay, perfect. Yet to start. And ऐसा भी हो सकता है, as we proceed now, some of the goals we want to remove. It's okay. If it is like, we know that it's like dead, we can hide them for some time. Okay, cool. Then PhD. Now PhD क्या?
Darshana, your voice is breaking. I don't know about others.
Yeah, internet was unstable. Now I'm good. Am I good
Yeah.
now? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, you're good now.
Okay, so just make the franchisee model. PhD क्या? Complete करना है, apply करना है, admission लेना है.
PhD complete करना है. Complete PhD बोलो.
हाँ, completed my PhD by 31st of March 2025. In what? In cooperative.
PhD in cooperative. PhD
No,
in
no.
cooperative.
No, your aim is not that. Aim is not that. Aim is to get leverage. Okay, aim is
Okay.
something else. Why are you doing it?
Okay. PhD in cooperative, I will write it there.
And why do you want to do PhD? You want recognition, you want fame, you want more authority in your field. You want to. नहीं इधर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Nothing bad about it. So what? मेरे को चाहिए ना fame, भाई. See, जब PhD उमा, डॉक्टर उमा बोलेंगे, डॉक्टर उमा, तो तेरे को ज्यादा क्लाइंट अच्छा, you know, respect, to earn respect भी हो सकता है ना. Authority.
That actually is not that. The cooperative sector के लिए I want to add a value because even now Modi has taken up cooperative as his important subject. So
Perfect.
only when we drill into that, I will be able to serve the government.
Perfect.
Literally, I
So
want to
depth knowledge, in-depth knowledge for better
knowledge
service.
serve Indian cooperative. Now I'm serving only Maharashtra.
Perfect. Perfect. So please write down in-depth knowledge to help and support cooperative societies across the country. बाप रे, मैं तो एकदम टीचर जैसे बन गई. Sorry.
You are a teacher.
I come into the teacher mode here. Sorry. But thank you for being
Darshana, तुम जो
coachable.
बोल रही ना, I'm getting too emotional. ये अगर हो गया ना, I'm done. Then I can. It's really a dream for me.
And you know, start with why.
मिलेगी उमा पार्टी मिलेगी.
जरूर यार, पहला ही दे देती हूँ.
हाँ, मेरे को उमा एक बात पूछने का था तुमको कि प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एमकॉम, मतलब तुम अभी एमकॉम के एग्जाम देना चाहती हो?
हाँ, my
She's doing.
exams are starting on 28 February, 28 July, 28 to 5th
नहीं तो
August.
यू कैन गिव एग्जाम एमकॉम कभी भी कोई एज में कर सकते हैं.
हाँ.
तो मेरे को भी करने का, मैंने बीकॉम किया था, मैं भी एमकॉम कर सकती हूँ अभी.
हाँ, for PhD only I'm doing MCOM यार.
नहीं, but I am 56, but I'll be able to do it.
हाँ, ये बोलो अभी एनरोल करवा लेती हूँ.
मेरे को
Oh,
करा दो ना, मेरे को करने का, मेरे को पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट बनने का है.
हाँ, बन.
ग्रेजुएट बनने का
अरे
है.
यार, अरे
Seema and Uma, conversation separate ले लो.
You can give.
Separate conversation. 3 minutes बचा है. Kudos, perfect. So, did you get Start with Why by Simon Sinek? Start with why. Why has to be very powerful. Okay.
हाँ, depth knowledge and serve Indian cooperative.
Cooperative societies. Okay. Cooperative. We will not understand पूरा word sentence लिखो. Now, CHS
Cooperative sector लिखती हूँ.
sector leak. Okay. CHS legal retainership. This is also not an smart goal.
No, I will tell you, 50 seats is enrollment into the kitty. This is a business expansion for me.
तो तू क्या करती है मालूम है क्या? तेरा गोल और ये ना why और वो है. Your goal should be 50 cooperative housing societies have the retainership of 50 whatever, and the goal is why is to serve the customers. And in fact, that is also not your why.
See, serve the customers. No, serve the customers, not only serve the customers, they are wanting legal experts such that they are free for their official work or the personal work.
Do you understand? So actually giving them support, and the why is not articulated properly, beta.
Yes.
Work
To
on
serve
your
the
whys. Work on your whys, please.
Okay. Hey, May isko na, I'm going to take a printout and put it in my room.
Yeah, please do that. That's a very good. Thank you so much for suggesting. Shalaka, Seema, हम लोग ये प्रिंट आउट लेके रख सकते हैं अपनी आंखों के सामने. This is super idea. अच्छा,
सजेशन है, हमेशा गोल शीट रखना चाहिए अपने सामने.
No, 1 second. See, only the aim and current, first B and C kali karo, ye sab ongoing rehne do. Only these two printouts you can put it.
make a copy of this, empty it, and just put this, and you can keep on writing. Okay.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Acha, last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. 42 kilometer marathon. Your aim, I think, is to inspire people or to show people that it is possible for everybody, or something. I don't know your why. If I would be running 42 kilometer marathon, I would be doing definitely to inspire people of my age. You know, and to make my self-esteem to go up. Ki, wow, Darshini, you did it. Okay, correct. Then 11:39. Work on your goals. I'm going to come back to that. After 2 days, we will connect. Please work on your goal. Okay. And Uma, I want one of you leaders from here to take the ownership. Ki ye log kar rahe hain. On the background, I'll keep checking. Seema will do it. Seema is taking the responsibility. Thok ke in log se kara le.
The right person for everything.
Seema is doing it. And Uma, I'm making you responsible for Seema's admission in the MCOM. Okay?
Done. It will be done.
Thank you.
Perfect.
I'm so happy.
11:40.
Postgraduate.
11:40. I'm declaring the call complete. Thank you, girls. Have a great time. Bye-bye.
My forum leader you are. My forum leader you are.
Bye-bye.